I will show you how to use this plugin in completely different project. I will create a new empty project. I will name it Other Project. It needs to be C++ project because it must have a build script. And for a blueprint type, the only way to add a plugin is from the plugins menu. By the way, if you were having problems with third-party library dependency, and the plugin did not compile for you, you need to add the project's dependency to its build script. I said I will show this code in the end of the video, so here it is. It also did not compile for me in the past, but having the projects fixed the issue. My writer IDE opened automatically, but I will not need it. The notepad will do just fine. I also will use a blueprint to do a quick test of the plugin. I am creating a test blueprint actor for my web server. There is no web server available yet, I need the plugin first. Close the Unreal Editor before adding the plugin to it. I am having the plugin directory on the left and other project on the right. The other project needs a plugins folder created. This is where all the plugins will be stored. And I will copy the plugin directory from the left window to the right window. Finally, to enable the plugin, I will edit the project build script in the source folder. I am typing the plugin name into the private dependencies. Simple web server. Open this new project, and see if the simple web server component is available. There, it now has a web server. To test, I will bind to the event exactly as I did before and print the content to the screen. Compile and save. I am dragging my blueprint to the scene and hit play. It did not work this time. I guess the scene is not ready yet as it's still building meshes and having quite a load. I will add a new empty level and repeat my test. This time it works. I can see the message I posted to the web server on the screen. A small tip: when you update your libraries and DLLs and copying the updated plugin into this other project and it does not open, just delete the project binaries and let Unreal Editor recompile this other project. It will rebuild it and load it without any issues.